Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video, and today we have the all new Škoda ENYAQ on a test. So I'm gonna do a quick review right now and show you all the details, and then we are off for a point of view drive, so stay tuned for that as well. So in front of us there is a fully electric SUV made by Škoda based on the MEB platform, fully electric car, and we have the batteries down there and electric motor as well. So let's start with the design. Very unusual and very strong appearance on the road, and I am a huge fan of this design. So look at this, we have the aggressive bumper with the air inlets, which you can clearly see now. I do love this spec. So we have the metallic black color, suits the car very well. I actually love the chrome elements on this particular model. I think they are really nice, even though otherwise I am a fan of the gloss black elements, but on this car, you know, this chrome elements do look nice. We have the Škoda crystal lighting. Those are the matrix LEDs with 23 LEDs in each light, and I do hope to test them as well during the night, so stay tuned for that as well. Massive front grille with the chrome edge. We have the massive Škoda badge on the bonnet, which has this unusual shape, and also we do have the front camera. The car is actually very aerodynamic. That's always important with the EVs. And now let me show you the side profile of this thing. So 4.65 meters is the length, and look at this, very strong design lines. And it looks particularly cool with this massive wheel. So here we have the optional 21-inch wheels. So these are the top of the line. Speaking about the wheels, they go from 18 up to 21, and here is where you can see the dimension of the tires. 235 45 are 21, but those look very nice. You have the camera as well as the light for the projection of the puddle light here. And moving on, let me show you the rear of the car. Look at this from this angle. Looks so cool. Probably my favorite angle of this car. Just look at the lines here. Look at this massive spoiler that has this satin black finish, plastic finish, but looks nice with the black car. And horizontal LEDs. We also have the dynamic indicators. Let me show you those. There we go. You also have the Škoda lettering, so no more badge, which is, you know, the trend among the Volkswagen Group models. Tell me in your comments, how do you like this car? I do love, once again, this spec. Tinted windows, black car, and dual tone wheels, 21-inch. It is time to show you the trunk, and Škoda is really a champion when it comes to practicality, and that's the case with this car as well. I will do it by just pressing this, as we have the electronic tailgate. And now here we are greeted with 585 liters of space. You also have dual floor. You can have this additional space here for the cables, of course, for the charging. You can fold the seats by just pressing this lever here. Speaking about pressing, when you press this, it goes down. We also have the 12-volt power outlet in here. So that's quite nice, and you also have this for the tow bar. So just like that, you have the tow bar. You can tow a trailer, and you do this once again. And that's it. We also have this hooks for the bags at both sides. So you see here, it is useful. And yeah, really, when we talk about practicality, you really can't complain, and buyers will for sure love this car because of that. I will also show you this. So this is the hidden feature. Here is where you would have the ice scraper, but looks like it's gone. Not sure why, but yeah, here's where you should have the ice scraper. And now let's close the tailgate and yeah, take another look at this car from this angle. And now I'll show you the interior. Time to enter the car, and this example has got the beautiful spec interior. Just look at this brown leather, gloss black finish here, huge door pockets, and these are the seats, very comfortable and look very nice. Look at this eco olive leather. And this is the view from driver's perspective, so let's check it out. Okay, there we go. So nice 3-spoke steering wheel on this one. We have a 5.3-inch digital cockpit, which is standard across the range. 13-inch touchscreen here, huge touchscreen. This is actually the biggest touchscreen ever in any of Škoda models, really. And the rest of it, very nice. Look at this. This is all in leather. You have the slider here. You can also turn off the screen. Then you have different screensavers like clocks. It does look very cool indeed. And just press this once again and you have the screen back on. Let me also show you this. So the air vents are cool, and what's also cool is that you have this extension of the air vents. So this is fixed, but does look nice and looks kind of wider. These are the lines for the ambient lights. I'll show you that in a night point of view drive. Wireless charger for the phone. You can also change this, actually remove it. You can have storage room here, or you also have dual cup holders. This is the minimalistic gear lever for the 1-gear transmission. Just press this and you go to drive, neutral, reverse, and this is the B mode for maximum recuperation. And well, yeah, additional storage room here as well as here, but also here. Huge amount of space throughout the whole car. I will also show you the glove box, but yeah, you get the point. Let's actually go to the home menu. This is it. When you press the menu, you go to different systems and settings. This car has a bunch of safety systems, which you could expect from new Škoda models. And well, yeah, that's pretty much it. Once again, if you want the full tour of the infotainment system, you can watch my full review from the dealership somewhere here. So I'm not gonna go through that right now, but I can show you this vehicle settings where you have the current information about your battery, so 93%, and that's something that I would love to see here. So you only have the battery on this digital cockpit like drawn here, but you don't have the percentage, and you need to go into this menu to see it. So I would love that to be changed, but other than that, this is really nice layout, and you really feel very comfortable in here. We also have the head-up display. Not sure how much can you see here, but yeah, during the drive you have the augmented reality. Reminds me of Mercedes models, and it's really impressive. We also have the sunroof on this particular model, and you can control it with this. So now yeah, easy to use, and yeah, all very nice indeed. Tell me in your comments what are your thoughts. And now let's check out the space at the back. This is it. So not only do we have the privacy glass, we also have the sunshades for full privacy. Nice layout here and nice colors. So let's step inside and see this. So huge amount of space. Look at this, additional storage room here. You have the AC controls, but let me also show you this. So 2 USB ports, as well as another power outlet. So that's quite impressive. This is the view on the front, and let me show you how much space I have for my head. And this is it. So huge amount of space here for my head. Once again, I am 1.87 m if you don't follow the channel regularly, but yeah, huge amount of space, and I really have a lot of room here. Okay guys, and before we finish, let's mention the batteries. Of course, the most important features of this car are hidden. They are down there. So the batteries as well as the electric motor. So this car has one electric motor, 150 kilowatts. You also have the 82 kilowatt hour battery, but there are other specifications available. You can have the rear wheel drive layout like this one, or you can have the all wheel drive layout. There are also 3 batteries available, so I will put them in the description, all the info that you need. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe to the channel in order to see more car reviews. Also have in mind that we are now going on a point of view drive, so stay tuned for that as well as the night point of view drive. Do subscribe, Once again, if you want to see more detailed look at the ENYAQ, you can watch my full review of the one in the dealership, where I covered the whole infotainment system as well. So that's pretty much it. Once again, thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.